Hi, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to create a listing on Eslando's marketplace. A listing is simply an ad of your feedstock which will appear in the all listing page. So this is an ad, this is an ad, these are all the listings, and now I'm going to show you how to create one. Before you create listings, I would also highly recommend to go into our resources and go into the glossary of textile terms, which will help you understand how our naming system works. What is post-consumer waste? What is post-industrial waste? The big challenge is there is no standardization in the industry yet. So in order for us to work cohesively, there should be a same language that we all use. So we have created this one for Eslando's marketplace. This is for glossary of textile terms and material categories, which explains different types of material categories itself. Have a look on your own time, and that will help you on how to create the listing itself and understand what other listings are there as well onto the marketplace itself. So it's very simple. You go on the plus icon and click on create listing. Have your images ready. You can choose up to 10 images on this platform for each listing, and each image, I guess, has to be about maximum 5 MBs itself. I'm just gonna drag and drop the images from my file over here. So these are the 3 images that I'm using for this listing itself. This is a post-industrial waste, and it is scraps and clippings. This one is woven. It can be any type. If it's knit or woven, if it's a clothing article, it might not be. It might be pillow and duvet. It might not be applicable for knit and woven, and it could be a non-woven. So select these categories wisely. Material content is very important. Do you exactly know? If you exactly know, like in this case, I exactly know that this is cotton 95%. Now I can go ahead and add as if it's elastane lycra, if it is something else, polyester. If you don't know, just go on to our unknown mixed category. Just click on 5 over here. Even if you leave this at 95, that's also fine. If you don't know, if you just roughly know that there's gonna be cotton, cupro, I'm just randomly picking different fibers that I think are gonna be in this listing itself. You can select like that. You can click, you can remove them. If you don't know what the material content is, you can just simply select unknown over here. In this case, I know exactly that this is 95% cotton. Select colors because buyers can filter from colors itself. This listing is for white, but you can choose between different colors that you have. Maybe you have different colors that you have of this material itself. It also comes, you are color sorting, and it comes in black, pink, blue, different colors. You can select all those colors over here itself. That makes the buyer understands that there are various colors that are available. If it is printed, then select printed itself, this category. If it is color sorted, I would say if you have already selected this one, select various and color sorted category as well. The other is one more is there, which is quite important, is the mix and multicolor. If it's not color sorted, just use the mix and multicolor. In this case, I have white, so I'll just use white over here. Let's say my monthly quantity is 50 tons. Frequency is monthly. Just check, make sure your default currency is showing over here. In this case, my profile is set to GBP, so it's showing over here in GBP. It is 0.1, and the price is per kilo over here. So you have to add a price that is for per kilo, and what all packaging is there. Are you baling it? Is it loose or is it on pallet? Let's say I can supply both on both bale and loose. It's in London. Select your country, United Kingdom. You might have different places, different warehouses. You can list in different countries itself. So that's there. I'm just gonna say Tilbury is my nearest shipping port. White woven. Give it a title. I'm here using white woven cotton feedstock. Let's say clipping feedstock. description, put all the important information over here. Don't make it too long, just make it simple. Let it be a conversation starter. Over here, I've just given it's 95% cotton, it's clean, it's undyed material generated from post industrial cuttings and offcuts. This feedstock comes baled 500 kg, and I've also made a note that we can make changes to the feedstock as per buyer's requirement. Just go ahead and say preview listing, see how your listing looks, all the images if they are correct. And then after that, just make sure that if all the information as per your notes itself, you can go ahead and publish the listing, or you can go back if you want to make any changes. Just click on edit and it will take you back to the listing page itself. Preview listing, publish listing. Once you do this, the listing will be live on the platform and all the other users will be able to see the listing itself. I am just waiting for a confirmation. Yes, done. So this listing is now live and it's showing in my ads. I think I should be able to see my own listing itself. So if I go to all listing, it will show on top itself. If you want to go make any changes in this listing, you can go into your profile, my ads. There are two segregations over here: my live listings and archive listings. Archive listings are those listings which the other users cannot see, which you created maybe in past, you no longer have the material, it is sold, so it goes into archive listing. In order to archive a listing, you can just click on your live listing and you can click here on the orange button, archive listing, and now it is now in your archived sections rather than live sections, so it won't be on the marketplace itself. Now you see it's gone. And it is, if I go back on my ads and see my archived listings, I can unarchive it and it will be live again on the marketplace itself. So here it is back, and this is how you create and manage your listings on Eslando's marketplace. In the next one, I will show you how to create a demand on Eslando. Thank you.